Good day, viewers. I remember my humble self again. Otemu Ogeneyero teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. Yesterday, I plotted a table. We are talking about quadratic graph. I uploaded a video today, and on that table we are able to generate this table of values. That x is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From y is equal to 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Now, yes, 2x squared means I will square minus 3. Give me 9 times 2 give me 18. That's what I did here. Here is minus 5s. Meaning I will use minus 5s multiply all the values of s. Give me 15, 10, 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10, and so on. While this minus 12 is a constant number. So we added the value of x, y here is 21, 6, minus 5, minus 12, minus 15, 4, minus 14, minus 9, 0, and 13. And the question said we should plot a graph. Now, I will place it here. I will place it there. I will rule a line. I've already ruled it on ground to conserve the time. I will put it here again. I will draw another line. So this line I drew is the y-axis. This one is the x-axis. Y-axis is the origin, 0. Here is negative y. Here is negative x. And we are given the scale. The scale is on the x-axis, 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. While on the y-axis, 2 centimeters is equal to 5 units. Now, meaning that from here to here is 2 centimeters. So I will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, depending on what is given to us, minus 3 to plus 5. And I say on the y-axis is 2 to 5 units. So here is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. So when x is minus 3, y is 21. Take note, 2 boxes represent 1. I'm dropping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it is 21, I will trace the minus 3 up. Here is 20. Here is 20. So if I drop one of the balls, it will give me 21. So that is my 21. Minus 2 gives us 6. Take minus 2, look at minus 5. I will jump one of the balls again. Here is 6. Now, minus 1 is minus 5. Look at minus 1, look at minus 5. I will mark that place. 0 is minus 12. This is the 0 line. Take it to minus 12. Yes, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. Then 1 is minus 15. Take 1, look at minus 15. 2 is minus 14. Look at 2, look at minus 14. 3 is minus 9. Look at 3, look at 10 here. Here is minus 9. 4 is 0. I will now mark that 0 line. 5 is 13. I will trace 5 to 13. Here is 10, 11, 12, 13. I will mark that, please. Okay, I am done with the marking. In maths, in why we are marking maths, and why, if your table is correct, you will get your B3, depending on it. For each error, you minus. For example, if you to be minus 15, I write minus 4, minus half for each error. Now, so what we do is to join the graph together. Okay? Okay, this is the quadratic graph, and it's a positive graph when it's of this nature. When you take it upside down, it's a negative graph. This one, if this one is correct, here can be B3 minus each error, half for each error. So that's how we mark in Y. Now let us follow the question. Say C. Use the graph to find the value of Y when x is 1.8. So let's go to when x is 1.8. Now, this is 1, this is 2. Each of the line is one line. One of the boxes is what you're going to count. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. So you will take it down to touch the curve. Please use broken line. Now it has touched the curve. I will now trace it down to touch the y-axis. Okay. Why does it touch the curve? Okay, I'm coming. Okay, oh, look at the curve here. I'm taking up. Please, no. Look at where I touch the curve. I not get it correctly. First time. That's why you have to be very careful. Okay. It touches the curve here. And what is the answer? Here is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 14.5. So that is C1 when x is equal to 1.8, y is equal to 14.5. Okay? Now, remember figure 2. We are asked to find x when y is equal to what? When y is equal to minus 8. What will be x? What will be what? X. Now, when it is minus, what's supposed to be minus 8. When y is minus 8. Here is minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So you take it there. Look at the minus 8. Minus 5, minus 6, minus. You draw with a broken line. Let me touch the curve, please. And you draw with broken line, not straight line, to touch the other end of the curve. You take it to the other end of the curve. Let it touch the curve properly. Then you take it up. From where it touches the curve, you take it up. Are you seeing me? You take it up and you draw with a broken line. I will come to the other end. Where it touches the curve, I will draw with another broken line. Okay. Now, what is the value here? And the value here. That is our value for x. Okay, let me look at this. Here is 3. It's after the first line after 3, which is 3.1. So x is 3.1. And then, let's come to this other side. 0 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 minus 0.7. Well, this is the negative side. Minus 0.7. But when we are marking in y, we mark plus or minus 0.1. If me as a math teacher, if I plot this graph again, I will fall within this range. Minus 0.1. So the correct answer is 14.5. Alright, if you have 14.6, you are equally correct. If you have 14.4, you are equally correct. That is plus or minus 0.1. This answer is 3.1. The actual answer here is minus 0.6. But when I plot, I have minus 0.7 to tell you that we are also correct. So if it is 3.1, you have 3.2, you are correct. You have 3.0, you are also correct. Why is the other side? The actual answer is 0.6. But when I did my minus 0.6, when I get my own, I have minus 0.7. So I'm also correct. You have minus 0.5, you are also correct. So you will fall within those range of values. But my answer now, the value of s is 3.1 and minus 0.7. God bless you.